color. Head first.
Dave with his walleye. Good job.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode from Western PA Anglers. I'm Jim Nesbitt, and today I'm dyeing some minnows. I've been starting this since the first day trout started, and been having a lot of fun with it. I had some people ask, but we're going to show you how to do it today. Okay, for today we're going to use, it's, see if you can see that, it's Potskey's fire dye. Okay, I have a green and a pink. Now I had a lot of success using the green. The pink is going to be something new today. I recommend using green, blue, and red. It's a darker color. They come out really well. The pink we'll try today. The orange and gold I don't recommend. I tried it. Unless somebody else can let me know how you could do it, I haven't been able to dye the live minnows with it. Just it's too light of color and doesn't come out. But I wanted to kind of go through the steps on how to dye this. Very simple, very quick. You can even do it out there while you're out there fishing. But I said I wanted to show you today how to do it. Okay, today I have medium fatheads and medium red minnows. I like doing the red and the green. They come out real nice. We're going to dye them. We're going to show you what they look like. So here's all you have to do. The instructions are on here. I like doing the quick dye just because usually I do it before I go out fishing. That way they're nice and ready to go. The instructions are on there if you need to. What we're going to do is 3 parts water, like 3 bottles of water to 1 part of the dye. So you're going to, I got a few extras, so you're just going to take, I'm going to dump 2 bottles in here for now. 2 bottles in here. And then you're going to take your dye. And get them open. Safety seal on them. And all you're going to do is take it and dump it straight in. There's green, there's pink. And then I always use the 3rd bottle just to kind of rinse out the bottle. So just fill it up. There's my 3rd bottle. And the pink, the green, alright, so we got 3 parts water, 1 part dye. Okay, we got the green and we got the pink. Hope that comes out. First I'm going to do the red minnows, and then after I'll do the green just because I don't have enough set up to do everything at once. So all you're going to do is, 1, you need aerators, okay? There's not very much water in here, so it doesn't take long, to dye if you don't keep an aerator on them at all times. So make sure you do that. So got the aerators going. Then what's recommended is up to 2 dozen at a time. Sometimes I do more. I don't know how many reds I really got. Red minnows and green. On the pink. I'm gonna add some more to the green, so I really like green color. And I'll save some for regular red. So you dump them in there, and that's it. Now we're gonna wait. I like to give them about 20 minutes to a half hour to give them a real nice color. Green really comes out good. If you want less color, start with 5 minutes. Check every 5 minutes and get a little light color to them. The longer you leave them, the darker they get. But we're gonna set these for about 20 minutes to a half hour, and then we'll check back. We'll do the red, and then we'll do the regular fathead minnows, and then I'll show you what they look like. So till then, stay tuned. Everyone, it's been about a half hour now. I've letting these minnows die. So I'm pretty sure the greens will come out okay. The pink I looked at, I don't think it did too good. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to pull a couple out. I've just got some water here from the minnow bucket. I'm going to dump a few in and go outside and we'll take a look at the colors. Okay, that way you can see them. Like I said, this has probably been about half an hour, so we'll take a look. Now, one thing I remember, you see some of them bellying up now. Okay, you're going to have that. The reason is just due from swapping them out and the shock. Okay, I'm going to grab a couple here, especially these shock ones will be easier. Now here's green. As you can see, it's pretty green. There's another one. See, the red turned to almost to a neon green. That's what I like. Green, green. Got a lot of greens in here. Okay, this one would have been a pink. As you can see, pink didn't take that good. Still pretty normal red minnow. I think you can see that. So the pink didn't really have a change. As you can see, the green's a definite. So get these back in. Alright everybody. Now, if you took a look at the minnows, you've seen the green came out really well, the pink didn't. So I would not recommend doing the pink, gold, or orange. Stick with the blue, green, and the red. Now I haven't tried the blue and the red yet. That's the ones I did see get done before, so that should work. But the green's a fail-safe. The green will always work, alright? What I'm going to do now is take these out, put them in the green, let them soak a little bit, and we'll get some medium fatheads in there so you can see what they look like when they come out. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I finished dyeing the red ones. They came out pretty good. It only took like even less than 20 minutes since they're a lighter color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these medium fatheads. I'm going to dump some in green now, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay? Now I said you can do about up to 2 dozen at a time. Well, I'm in a hurry. I just grab a whole bunch. Dye them all at once. I think that's enough. Again, make sure you have the aerator on and in there. Then we'll give them about a half hour, and then we'll take a look what they look like, alright? It's been about a half hour with just the green with the medium fat heads, so I'm going to pull these out. I'll take a couple like before, put them, take them outside and show you what the color is, okay? Green, this works really well for me. It's about 20 minutes to a half hour to do it. You don't want to do anything over that. Scoop a couple out here. And then go outside and take a look at them. Show you what they look like. That one's not bad. So you got the nice green tint to them. If I can get one hold still enough. As you can see the green on them. The longer you leave them in there, the more green they're going to get. But as you can see, like the belly, anything light's really going to die right away. Anything more is going to take a little bit more. But that's what they look like. Okay guys, we finished the minnows. I just want to kind of go over a quick summary here, how to do it real quick. Just remember, get your dye, 1 dye, 3 bottles of water, stick them in a container. Don't forget your aerators. Okay, you got the aerator in there all the time. Cup up about 2 dozen minnows at a time in there. Let them sit about 20 minutes, half hour, and take a look. The longer you leave them, the more color they're going to get. Then dump back in your minnow bucket. You'll have some that'll belly up because of shock. Give them some time, most of them will come back. Now with orange and pink so far I've tried, I haven't gotten the color. I wouldn't recommend using them for live bait, but you can definitely use them for any of your dead bait, your brine, any of your eggs, because you can use a higher concentrate. The gold I'll have to try. It's on the instructions that can be done, so we'll have to try gold one time. That's it. Simple, quick. You can be out fishing in a half hour with bright green minnows. So until next time, have fun out there. I'm going back out fishing.